Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack. Today I will be showing you how to screenshot on Brave browser. So in order for you to do this process, guys, you could also utilize the built-in feature into your Windows by tapping on your keyboard, Ctrl Shift S, or you could go to the Snipping Tool over here. So in default, this application is available. As you can see, you can just simply select new and you should be able to take a specific screenshot, as you can see. Now, if you really want to do a screenshot into a browser, you could also do that by going to the three dots over here on the top right corner, and then go ahead and go through the settings down below. And from here, you could just simply go for the system over here down below. And now here on the system tab, you will have the shortcuts at the very first option. And from here, you could utilize the search bar over here for a command or shortcut. And I'm gonna go ahead and go for screenshot. And you will have take screenshot over here. And just simply select the keyword for the screenshot and press the key that you want to apply it with. For example, I'm gonna go for this one, select save. And now if I tap on that on my keyboard, I should be able to take some screenshot. And pretty much that's the best option that you would do. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.